Our factory located in Xinmi City, Henan Province. It is ancient but also an energetic modern city. Local fossil energy reserves are abundant and diverse. These are excellent raw materials for making refractory. Thanks to its unique resources, Xinmi is also known as the capital of refractory materials in China. On this land full of opportunities, our company is like a shining star, absorbing the essence of thousands of years of mineral deposits and committed to the perfect integration of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. We focus on providing different high-end refractory materials for glass industry, including end-cast refractory, centered refractory products, and unshaped refractory products. Our centered refractory includes our casting refractory includes our unshaped refractory includes to ensure product consistency and stability. Each batch is sampled and tested with real-time control over casting temperature. Our factory is equipped with a Japanese science fluorescence analyzer, which can quickly and accurately analyze the actual and target values of the chemical composition of our products, allowing for timely and precise adjustment of product formulas. After assembly, we also conduct non-destructive testing on all brick materials that come into contact with molten glass, ensuring the stability of the fused cast series products delivered to our customers. Currently, we have a complete production system, including workshops for raw material processing, batching and molding, drying and firing, and processing. We are equipped with multiple large 2,500-ton automatic hydraulic brake presses, 1,200-ton, 800-ton, and other brake presses. We have automatic high-temperature tunnel kilns, medium-temperature tunnel kilns, and automatic high-temperature shuttle kiln production lines. There is also an automatic raw material preparation production line, integrating batching, mixing, and distribution. In terms of processing capabilities, our fused cast refractory materials series products are supported by over 20 professional cutting, grinding, drilling, and other equipment. We have a large unshaped refractory production line, a daily output of up to 200 tons, and a large stock of refractory raw materials. Meanwhile, we have built a fully equipped technical testing center with capabilities in chemical analysis, physical property testing, and product research and development. This center is responsible for quality control during production, product testing, and continuous improvement and enhancement of our products. Customer satisfaction is our basic principle. The lifespan of our customers' kilns is our life. This has always been our unchanged corporate philosophy and development direction, and it is the core of our continuous efforts to meet the higher demands of our customers for refractory materials. Thank you for your choice and trust. We will live up to your expectations.